everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this week I decided to try something really fun. I tried a Nerdy Nummies recipe for sea salt ice cream from Kingdom Hearts. And I'm gonna be honest guys, this was a little bit of a fail. My mold does not allow the popsicles to come out, but it's okay because they are still gonna be super delicious to eat. And if you use a regular mold, like the kind that's round and doesn't have like this slit in the middle, it should work perfectly fine for you. It worked perfectly fine for Nerdy Nummies, so I'm sure it works. But I think it's just because of the shape of this one that it doesn't work quite right. But anyway, I just want to say as well, I apologize if the lighting is off or something. All of my lights are in storage at the moment while we are in the process of moving. But anyway, let's start this recipe. So for this recipe, you are going to need 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. You're gonna need blue and green food coloring. You're gonna need 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I just got the imitation because it's a little cheaper, not gonna lie. 2 eggs, some sea salt. It can't be regular salt, it does have to be sea salt, unfortunately. You are going to need 1/3 cup of sugar, and that's basically it. I really like this recipe because all of these ingredients are probably ingredients that you already have in your home, so you don't really have to go out and buy anything, which is really nice. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you are going to want to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. You're going to put those in 2 separate bowls. You're going to want to beat the egg whites until they are stiff. Then in the other bowl with the yolks, you are going to want to combine the 1/3 cup of sugar with the egg yolks and mix those together as well. Then you're going to take your 2 cups of milk and put it onto the stove under medium heat, and you're going to want to just bring it to a boil, and then you are done with that step. After you bring it to a boil, you are going to want to combine the mixture with the egg yolk and the sugar into the mixture with the hot milk. And once you combine that, you're going to want to put it back onto the stove onto low heat, and you're going to leave it on low heat until it becomes a custard-like substance. You just want to keep stirring it until it gets nice and thick. And then once that is finished, you're going to want to combine that milk with the mixture that is the stiff egg whites. Then what you want to do is you want to combine the heavy whipping cream, and then you want to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then the food dye. So the dye that I found to work the best was 12 drops of blue to 2 to 3 drops of green. Nerdy Nummies, I think she said she did like a 7-to-1 ratio of the blue to the green, but the 12 to 2 to 3 worked really well for me. You're also going to want to add your salts to the mixture. This is really up to you depending on taste. So you're probably going to want to mix it up, try a little bit. If you think it needs more salt, add some more salt. The worst thing you want to do is add too much salt. So definitely try it, see how you like it the best. And then that's basically the perfect mixture for you. Then you're going to want to pour those into your popsicle molds. If you don't have the kind like this that clips on, you're going to want to wait about an hour like in the freezer before you put the wooden popsicle sticks in there, just because if you put them in before, they're just gonna fall over because the liquid is too thin. But if you wait about an hour, it's gonna get a little bit thicker, and then you can pop them in and then wait until they freeze for the rest. And then once you're finished, hopefully yours don't come out like mine. Hopefully they come out nice and beautifully, but let's give them a taste. So good, guys. This is literally what I pictured it tasting like. I feel like I imagined it kind of with like a caramelly taste. That's the only difference I would say. But it's so good. Anyway guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you tried this recipe. If you do, send me a picture on Instagram or Facebook to let me know how it looks and how you thought it tasted. I hope you guys are enjoying the wonderful release of Kingdom Hearts 3 today, and I hope that you're having a wonderful, wonderful week. Bye!